guys, it's your girl Mila B and welcome back to another video. Today is all about my skin. My skin has not been the best. It just has not. I have zits all right here. I've been picking at them. I've been trying to pop them and it's just not cute. So today I am doing the Holler and Glow Stone Cold Sober sheet mask. Now it is a bubble mask, so basically what the directions tell me to do is wiggle it all around to activate the bubbles on the mask, and I am supposed to keep it on my face for 15 minutes. 15 minutes and then it comes off, and yes, so we're going to see what this mask is all about. Yes, Holler and Glow. I did another video with the Holler and Glow brand. I did a sheet mask and it was so pretty. It was rainbow, I believe, so definitely go check that video out if you have not seen it. But yes, this is a foaming charcoal sheet mask, and just to be specific about this mask, it has charcoal, tomato extract, and black mulberry extract in it as well, and it's supposed to wash away your sins with this clarifying face mask. So definitely excited. I think this is definitely something that I need right now, especially on my face. So without further ado, let's get into it. So it has been legitimately 15 minutes. This mask is, I guess it's as much as it's going to suds up, bubble up, I guess. My thoughts on this mask, first things first, I don't know if it's just that I have a small face, but you see this part right here, how it's covering my lip? It's sliding down. I have an issue with this piece all the time on masks. I couldn't tell you why. Like I said, maybe I just have a small face, or maybe they're making the mask to fit one size fits all and they're aiming for bigger faces. I don't know, but I always have that issue. Aside from that, you can feel the foaming sensation underneath the mask on your skin, which is great. It is sliding off. As you can see, it's now about to hit my eye, so I'm gonna take it off. Woo! I do like the bubble masks. I did another bubble mask, so if you haven't seen that video, right there, please go check that one out. I guess I could compare the two eventually. But yes, this mask was cool. It had a really, really, really nice smell to it. It wasn't too strong. It was like, didn't have a smell, but it was pretty subtle. I will do this mask again. It was very relaxing. I got on my laptop a little bit just to kind of pass the time. But yes, I like this mask. Holler and Glow gets a 5 stars for me. And yeah, I would do this mask again in a heartbeat, especially because it does suds up. It acts as that cleanser that I like. And voila, fresh face, who it is. So with that being said, you guys already know what to do. Like, share, comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, team, catch you later.